American officials say a gunman killed at least 12 people during a shooting at a bar and dance place in Southern California. South Korea says North Korea has asked to delay high-level talks with the United States. The meeting was to take place Thursday in New York. A Zimbabwean police official says at least 47 people are confirmed dead after two buses traveling in opposite directions crashed east of Harare. And a North Sea oil export center closed after a Norwegian warship and an oil transport ship crashed off Norway's west coast.